Step number 4, you need to implement scalable sales systems and marketing strategies to suit. Without sales and marketing, your business is never going to grow. And regardless of what trade, product, industry that you sell, okay, you are all in the sales and marketing business. Everyone in business is in the sales and marketing business. And you've got to have a scalable, reliable, perfect, repeatable strategy that's going to allow you to quantify the input to be able to measure the output. I like to measure business in 2 very simple ways. Number 1 is input. How many sales have we got coming in? Number 2 is output. How much profit did we make? So you've got to build a marketing plan. You've got to have leads that are specific for the product and service that you want to sell. You just don't want to wait for the phone to ring reactively, hoping that whoever calls you next wants the service that you sell. And I want you to remember, just because you sell it as a service, it doesn't mean that you can build a business out of it. Some of these small ticket requirements, yes, people need help with them, but you can't build scalable companies out of them. And you've got to look for high ticket, high margin products and services that have enough cash flow and margin attached to them to give you more scalability. The bigger the ticket, the better the margin, the easier your business will be to run, because it creates a positive cash flow environment. And if you're working B2C, remember that you get paid a lot faster. If you're working B2B, you're usually paying out and waiting to be paid. So you're literally creating a cash negative scenario that you can't outrun. So jumping back to marketing, we need high converting leads that are quantifiable and land in the business consistently. You've got to track your daily traffic and your lead conversion so you understand what's working and what isn't working. And if you want to scale and grow your business, you've got to get used to spending money on marketing. Usually about 10% of turnover will give you a 90% return. So whatever you put in at 10%, with the right strategy and sales process, you'll get 90% out. Businesses that want to scale up must have a sales strategy, a sales process. Because how many times do you hear a business say that they used a marketing agency or they bought some leads and they were no good? But in actual fact, you say to them, okay, cool. Well, how quickly did you call the lead? What did you say? What was your nurture sequence? Did you have a pitch? How did you try and close the deal? Have you ever had sales training? Do you know how many business owners and companies don't know anything about sales and have never invested in sales training or understanding sales process? Yet they expect to be able to just get leads from an agency and all of a sudden convert these leads into sales. Sales is a skill set, a profession, an art form that needs to be culture that you create in your environment where everybody comes in excited, okay, to sell products and services that your customers can buy into and that help your customers and change their customers' lives. So you've got to build a great sales strategy. You've got to get sales trained.